Hello everyone! Today, I'm here to show you a simple guide on how to invert colors on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. As you can see, currently, my phone is in light mode. Switching to dark mode is easy. Swipe down to access the control center and tap on the dark mode toggle. This will give your phone a darker appearance, but remember, this isn't true color inversion. From your home screen, tap on Settings. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size. Here, you have two choices, Smart Invert and Classic Invert. When activated, Smart Invert reverses the color of your display but leaves media, images, and some apps in their original color scheme. It's a more intelligent form of color inversion. If you prefer a more comprehensive inversion, choose Classic Invert. This option reverses all colors, giving your display a photographic negative effect. There you have it, a straightforward method to invert colors on your iPhone, allowing you to customize your display experiences. Whether you choose Smart or Classic Inversion, the process is simple and easy to reverse. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.